The phrase, "as birds flying," so will the Lord of hosts defend Jerusalem. From Isaiah chapter 31 verse 5 uses imagery to describe God's protective care. Just as birds fiercely protect their nests, tirelessly flying to guard and shield their young, God promises steadfast defense over Jerusalem and His people. This verse reassures us that His protection is active, intentional, and constant. Today, you can carry this promise into your life by trusting that, like those vigilant birds, God is watching over you, shielding you in times of trouble, and providing refuge when you need it. Reflect on this as you face challenges, knowing that divine protection surrounds you, carrying you through every storm. Let this truth inspire your confidence and faith in Him. If this message touched your heart, please follow, like, comment, and share